Hi friends, this is Deep Basu and welcome to my channel Think Deep. And I'm back after a long time. Not very long. Yes, basically I was not in Mumbai. I was in Dubai for the last 11 days. I was working on a project and God's grace, the project was quite fruitful and successful. So I'm back to India. And today for a change, I'm going to review two content, not simultaneously, but one after consecutively and together. I will be reviewing Breaking Point and Shiddat. And I think I'm doing this for the first time. I always, devote one film for one vlog. Today, since due to lack of time and I have lots to catch up, so I thought of reviewing two content. So I'll be reviewing Breaking Point, which I think premiered 2 days ago on Z5, and Shiddat also I think premiered 2 days ago. So both these content premiered, and Shiddat you can watch it on Hotstar Multiplex, and both these contents are quite different from each other. So coming to my first content, Breaking Point. So Breaking Point, you can watch it on Z5. It's a docudrama. It's not a feature film or a typical conventional web series. And Breaking Point is definitely one of the most awaited web series directed by the very talented Nitesh Tiwari, the director who directed Dangal and various other films. And he's a very successful producer as well. So when I watched the trailer, and the main concept behind Breaking Point is basically talks about the breakup of the very talented Mahesh Bhupati and Leander Pace. So coming to the content and as a viewer, how did I feel? I would like to talk about it. So I love the trailer. I used to hear a lot about it. So frankly speaking, I was really looking forward to watch it. And growing up, I'm not a tennis fan. I don't play tennis. I don't know anything about tennis. But not being a tennis fan, the two names which I used to always hear while growing up was Leander Pace and Mahesh Bhupati, and the chemistry they had, the achievements, and they are one of the first, duo in tennis, in the field of tennis, to make a mark or create history. So people who are not even tennis lovers or tennis fans, they also began to love tennis because of these duo, Mahesh Bhupati and Leander Pace. But after many years of playing together, both of them parted ways, and I wonder why. I did a lot of research and R&D. I couldn't get a clear answer, a clear picture. Not only me, none of us, on why did they break up. They were so good playing together. They were so successful. In spite of that, what was the differences which cropped up? Of course, this happens not only in the field of sports. It happens in the field of music. In music also, even in field of script writing, in movies. Salim Javed also had a controversial split. But definitely, Mr. Salim sir was quite vocal about it. But here, none of them were quite vocal about it. There were a lot of blame games happening. There were a lot of rumors, a lot of things media was talking about. But we actually wanted to know what really happened. So Breaking Point basically showcases what really happened between the two and what led to the breakup. So it's a docudrama, very well scripted and quite decently directed. I wouldn't say it's really well directed. If you have to talk about docudramas, you have seen better. I have seen better docudramas. But frankly speaking, Nitesh sir has done a great job, decent job, and the entire docu series is very well scripted, and definitely will keep you, at the edge of your seat to know what really happened. A few episodes definitely towards the end, docudrama dips and the interest factor dips for some time, but again towards the end, last two episodes, it picks up. And the entire docudrama is about 7 episode series, and it talks about right from the beginning how they met and what really went wrong. So definitely certain things which I didn't know, definitely it was quite an eye opener for me. And I really like the fact that many things which were quite a revelation, many things were quite new, like I'm sure most of you didn't know about it. But somewhat I felt that the series in few portions could have been even more interesting. The editing could have been a little more impactful. The series begins on a good note, on an interesting note, but somewhat I felt few portions could have been a little more interesting. But overall, it's a decent watch, but could have been better. and the trailer was quite good, quite intriguing. But overall, the series is above average. So definitely, you can give it a watch if you're a tennis fan, and if you have grown up watching Leander Pace and Mahesh Bhupathi and wondering what really happened between them, you should watch this series. And yeah, that's my review for Breaking Point. And that's it. And what really happened, and don't expect me to reveal it, you need to watch it, no spoilers. So that's my review for Breaking Point. If you want to watch it, it's on Z5, so watch it. It's a 7 part, half an hour per series. Now I'll be going to my second content, which is Shiddat, which I watched today morning. Shiddat stars the very talented Sunny Kaushal, the very talented Radhika Madan. It has Mohit Raina, it has a very beautiful and talented Diana Penty. It's been directed by the director Kunal Deshmukh. Kunal Deshmukh has directed films like Tum Mile, Jannat. Good to see him back again. I was wondering what has happened to the director Kunal Deshmukh. I so love his movies. And this movie has been produced by Dinesh Vijan, Maddox Films. So coming to Shiddat, Shiddat is a passionate love story which becomes slightly problematic. So basically, it's a very cliche, and it's a topic is pretty cliche and has been done before. It's about Sunny Kaushal's character Jaggi, who meets this girl Radhika Madan. Kratika is her name, and both of them are very different from each other. Sunny Kaushal is quite earthy, quite desi. Radhika Madan is posh, speaks in English, and they bond very well when because they both are athletes. She's a swimmer, he's a hockey player. So they instantly, not instantly, due time, they both support each other and they bond pretty well, and they both fall in love. But both of them are suffering from the status, the position. Both of them are from various different social status and very different backgrounds, and that's how the friction emerges. And now what's going to happen? So this guy Jaggi is a hardcore Punjabi guy. मैं जो बोलता हूँ मैं करता हूँ, and शिद्दत मैं तो करके दिखाऊंगा. So he goes to a long road trip. He gets into illegal, he restores and indulges into illegal ways, at least unknowingly, I would say, in order to get to Radhika, who is getting married to someone else. So what really happens? Will this guy's Shiddat and commitment and dedication will bring about success, or will he lose? That's the entire story and plot of Shiddat. So it's very passionate. The dialogues, the performances, and there's also Mohit Raina and Diana Penty. A very means alternative, separate track is going on. So Mohit Raina and Diana Penty. Mohit Raina is is a successful man. Diana Penty is also a successful woman. So how there's a friction between them, and how you see Mohit Raina's character is the one who inspires Jaggi to pursue his love, but towards the intermission, we get to know that Mohit Raina's marriage is on the rocks, and how he gets inspired from Jaggi to pursue and make it up to his wife. So that's how both these characters help each other and support each other. So overall, a passionate love story, and dialogues are good, songs are soothing, but somewhat I felt it's a very well made movie. I won't say it's a badly made movie. The production quality, the look, the locations, the direction, everything falls in place. But somewhat I felt the script could have been better. The script, the relationship between Pratika and Jaggi was not that impactful. So I couldn't quite feel for Jaggi going all the way to pursue her to marry him. Because somewhat, if the director or scriptwriter invested more time on their relationship, then somewhat I could root for Jaggi's character, but unfortunately that was not the case. And one thing which I didn't like, there was a sequence where Jaggi, he takes Radhika Madan's picture and posts it online without her permission. And just to counter attack Jaggi, Radhika Madan and Kratika and her friend, they storm into the men's washroom, start pulling their towels, clicking their nude pictures and all, which I really found it objectionable, because though it was treated in with a lot of humor and comic element, but it was not humorous. How can you go to a men's washroom, pull towels? That's I think It's like a molestation, yeah. Means this one thing which I don't agree in this society. If the same thing would have happened in a women's washroom, if I would show as a filmmaker a group of boys going to a female's washroom and pulling the towels, then too there would have been a lot of morcha and banning the film and all that. But in this film, they have treated it very very comic. Made it a very comic scene where these girls they storm into a boy's washroom, they pull their towels, they capture them nude, which I don't think is funny. Means privacy is privacy, even in a men's washroom, even a women's washroom. How could you show this? It's just because tomorrow a girl pulls my towel, it's a joke, it's a comic. It's nothing issue. I won't call it molestation, but if tomorrow I pull a girl's towel, that's a molestation. Fine, it is molestation, but even if a girl does that to me, it is also molestation, right? So I really object. Means I'm what you call addressing this to all of you. You might beg to differ, but I didn't like that scene. I think they should have edited this scene. Doesn't make sense. I think the scriptwriter could have thought of something else. Coming to a washroom, pulling towels, clicking naked boys, and it's a joke. And a naked guy pull their towel. What is this? And Sunny Kaushal, she what do you call it? She opens the washroom where Sunny Kaushal is having a bath and starts clicking him. Sunny Kaushal, to my God, like what a sequence. He's posing nude and showing off his body, and she gets very appalled. And I don't know. I think that sequence was really lame, yeah. Sorry, that's my perspective. Anyway, so Shiddat overall, coming to my conclusion, Shiddat overall is a passionate love story, but quite problematic. It's cliche, though a very well-made movie. Production quality is good. I think it could have been better. But the runtime is quite a lot. I think the editing pattern could have been slightly shorter. The movie could have begun in an interesting way. But overall, Shiddat is an average film. You can give it a miss. So if I have to choose which one to watch, if you really would like to watch a matured film, go for Breaking Point. And that's my review for both the films. So watch it. Happy weekend. I'm yet to watch Tel Aviv. I missed Tel Aviv, so I couldn't review it. I'm sure most of you watched it, and I think I'm yet to watch another film. Chehre, I think I have to review it. I've already watched Chehre. I will have to review it. So these two films are pending. So guys, pardon me. A happy weekend and lots of love.